Medical Imaging Technology Showcase. Our mission is simply to educate and then advocate for NIH research funding. To accelerate the development of imaging technologies, we need policymakers to really understand what it is and how it impacts patient care.
Thank you to all of our industry partners who are here, who develop and market the technology that we get to use to take care of patients. As we develop the technology, we need to also be aware of how we distribute the technology efficiently, equitably, and effectively.
I'm here to say thank you. Imaging saved my life twice. 6 months ago, they put a catheter in my wrist, went up to my brain using every tool that you have created, worked on, and improved, and put a stent diverter so that the blood would go through my vessels and bypass this aneurysm, only because the science caught up with my condition. Using your technology every step of the way, because the miracles and the eyes that you provide people every day.
The bottom line is the same imaging technology that allowed them to place that stent without creating an incision can be used to target all kinds of pain generators in the body, both in patients with cancer and patients without, just through a pinhole.
Events like this are important to help our congresspeople understand the importance of medical imaging and funding it at the levels that are necessary to keep developing that technology to help patients.
And it's been wonderful to see colleagues and just get an idea of what's going on at Capitol Hill and how we can advocate for NIH funding so that we can continue doing these types of projects.
I'm displaying a virtual reality system here. It's not just like the virtual reality where you play, but you can really look at the images. You can actually take this system and sit in Singapore and report for US. And not just that, it's used for education purpose and some research parts of it.
MITRIC is funded by NIBIB. It's creating a large data commons that's de-identified, curated, harmonized, and AI ML ready for all investigators to use. Currently, we have ingested over 300,000 imaging studies and have already released 130,000 of them free for investigators to use.
NIH support is so valuable in launching the careers of young investigators. It gives us the opportunity to create our own labs and to pursue our own ideas, and having a fora like this to interact with other people who have interest in understanding how the NIH functions and what its work is doing is really essential, I think, to creating opportunities for ourselves and for future generations of young researchers.